Alright, I am going to start working on this mess here. There's no real easy way to do this, so I'm pretty much just going to do it multi-step. It's not too bad, it should be pretty straightforward. Okay, here's where I'm going to cheat a little bit. I do have what is called a stretcher shrinker. It's going to make my life much easier to make this bend. That's my goal. Yeah, basically it's this thing. And you just step on it and it squishes the metal, or the other side makes it go apart. Okay, so my goal is to get this to turn into this. One side's a little longer, so it's actually this piece. I think we're about there. It's pretty close. See how well it fits. Alright, so I'm not gonna lie. I bent the wrong side. I'd be lying if I said that doesn't happen a lot, but I did make the right piece now. You can see it just goes in and follows everything I need. It needs a little bit of work yet. Alright, here we are. There's still, I don't even know if that's supposed to be there or not. But yeah, we got all this garbage kind of all done now. Still a few more bits I'll have to do down here, but I'm getting bored of this, so I'm gonna move on to something else. Something else that interests me. I'm not sure what. I might dig out a clip. I might start clipping the car. See how I feel. Still have more rust to do on it though, so. In the back I have a tear on a fender. I think around one of these I gotta rebuild some of this junk here. Bang out some more dents. Fix this tear. Some more dents. Another tear. I have to pull this over yet, but looks okay. Looks straight. And I gotta zap up this stuff here. as you see tonight, I got this all banged out, and then there was a big old dent up here. We got that one out. I got this fender's all cleaned up pretty good. So yeah, I still have to do the other side, but I think I mentioned before I'm gonna switch this up. I'm kind of tired of dealing with all this stuff. I never did get around to doing the front clip, so I guess this week that's gonna be my plan. Get the clip in the front, and maybe I'll order up a 4-bar thing just for the back, just some cheap eBay 4-bar, throw in the back. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do for a spring and stuff. Yeah, I guess that's pretty much the plan for tonight.